Okay, playing with this new 110cc black thing that I got from bicycleengines.com. We have 90-degree transfers and 130-degree exhaust. Plus the exhaust is only halfway exposed at bottom dead center. It's the damnedest thing I've ever seen. At bottom dead center, you got half transfers and half exhaust ports, and well, what do you know? At least the intake's closed. That's what we got, guys. I don't know if there's a way to fix this or not. It's pretty screwed up. Anyway, that's where we're at right now.